Welcome. Take a deep breath in and gently exhale. Today, we'll move through a simple Tai Chi inspired routine. Let's begin.
3, 2, 1.
Gentle Chi awakening. Begin softly, warming up your body and energy. This helps stimulate circulation and gently activate your internal organs. 15 seconds left. Stay relaxed. Get ready to transition.
3, 2, 1.
Flowing energy expansion. Feel your body opening and loosening. This movement supports flexibility and improves overall mobility. If you're enjoying this gentle flow, take a moment to subscribe so you don't miss your daily wellness routine.
Three, 2, 1.
Cloud hands harmony. Let your breath guide you. This helps improve coordination and brings a sense of calm focus. Halfway there, keep breathing naturally. Get ready to transition.
3, 2, 1.
Golden crane balance. Stay steady and relaxed. This movement supports balance, stability, and joint strength. Comment below, "I feel calm," if you're moving with me right now. Get ready to transition.
3, 2, 1.
Silk reeling energy. Feel the gentle flow through your body. This helps improve circulation and supports joint health. 15 seconds left. Stay smooth and controlled. Get ready to transition.
3, 2, 1.
Feel the gentle flow through your body. This helps improve circulation and supports joint health. 15 seconds left. Stay smooth and controlled. Get ready to transition.
3, 2, 1.
Rising Qi flow. Stay light and comfortable. This helps boost energy levels and supports metabolism. Almost there. Keep your breathing steady.
Get ready to transition.
3, 2, 1.
Tai Chi core harmony. Stay centered and relaxed. This engages the core gently and supports posture and stability. Inner strength flow.
get ready to transition.
3, 2, 1.
Heart center opening. Relax your shoulders and breathe deeply. This movement promotes relaxation and helps reduce stress. If this feels good, tap like. It really helps more people discover gentle workouts like this.
3, 2, 1.
Inner strength flow. Move with calm intention.
This helps reduce stress, improve circulation, and leave you feeling refreshed. Last few seconds, breathe in and out. You've just done something wonderful for your body today. Comment "done" so I can celebrate your progress with you.